In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively integrate a proxy with Janitor AI using Open Router. This process will enhance the functionality of your character interactions within the platform. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that you have a seamless experience, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Janitor AI website. Once there, locate your profile icon, which you'll likely find in the top corner of the page. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll want to select My Character. This will take you to a section displaying characters you've created. Pick the character you want to configure. It's important to verify that you have allowed proxy for this character. Without this setting enabled, the configuration won't work properly. Next, you'll see an option to chat or continue. Choose one of these to proceed forward. Then you'll notice the familiar 3-bar icon located at the upper right of the interface. This is your gateway to more advanced settings. Click it and head to the API settings. Once you're in the API settings section, you'll find a proxy option. Go ahead and click that. Your next move will be to click on Add Configuration, which will set the stage for inputting the necessary details. Now we need to visit the Open Router website. It's quite user-friendly, and at the top, there's a search bar waiting for your input. Type in DeepSeek and scan the results. You'll need to scroll down a bit until you find DeepSeek for free. It's crucial to select this correctly to avoid any issues. Once you find it, click on it and copy the section model name it displays. Armed with this information, return to where you left off at Janitor AI. In the Add Configuration section, you'll need to paste the model name you just copied. Importantly, ensure that you paste it not only in the model name field, but again in the configuration name field. This redundancy ensures your setup is seamless and avoids any misconfigurations. Next, paste the following URL into the proxy URL field, https openrouter.ai/apis1 chat files completions. This specific URL is essential for establishing the correct proxy connection. Let's revisit the Open Router website for a final step. Click on the profile icon at the upper right of their page and select Key from the menu. You'll want to create an API key here. Add a descriptive name like example to keep things organized and hit that create button. Once the API key is generated, copy it. You then return for the last time to Janitor AI and paste this API key into the appropriate field under your configuration settings. Click Add Configuration to input these settings effectively. Ensure you click Save Settings to finalize all changes. Double check everything looks good and click Yes to confirm your choices. And there you have it. With these detailed steps, your proxy should be set up and ready to enhance your AI character interactions in Janitor AI. If you run into any issues, feel free to revisit these steps and you'll be all set. Thanks for following along and see you in the next video.